Welcome to Revolutions, the show that takes an in-depth look at the gear industry. I'm Senior Editor Matt Jaster with Gear Technology Magazine, and I'm here with Kenneth Sundberg talking about the WFL Millturn today. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Describe the strength of the WFL Millturn and where you see its greatest potential in the multitasking machining market.
First of all, it's a very robust and rigid machine, and I mean that's a precondition in order to produce high-quality gears. But the machine is equipped with a lot of technology and software that makes it easy for the customer to use the machine. And so we try to make it really easy for customers to cut gears on a Millturn machine, not having to have very specialized machines for this purpose. So I think that is a clear strength of the Millturn.
Okay. How does this machine fit in with the gear industry's growing demand for automation?
We see a very strong demand for automation, and we actually bought a company called Frey 1 year ago. So we now have the capability to offer turnkey solutions that are adapted for the different customer needs. And we see this trend coming more and more, not only because of shortage of workforce, because also a robot will put in the component the same way every time. So we actually reduce the human error by doing this. So automation and also digitalization go hand in hand, and we also have a lot of digital supporting tools to make sure that the processes are running as good as they can and keep the machine uptime to a highest possible level.
Okay. What is your organization doing to become the best at single setup manufacturing in 2019?
I mean, we are working very close with our customers. I mean, every product we have is a turnkey, and we get to do the most challenging projects in this industry. So this is an ongoing process, we can say. But we also work with industry leaders, with partners. You know, we select to work with partners that can help us to enhance the capability of the Millturn machine. And in addition to that, we have decided to put up a technical center in our headquarters in Austria, Millturn Innovation Center, where we will continue to develop our capabilities, but also demonstrate and transfer the technology to our customers. We're also setting up a light version of this Millturn Innovation Center in the Detroit area, where we have our subsidiary.
Okay. What role does inspection and metrology play on the success of this machine line?
Gears is all about quality. Priority 1, 2, and 3, all about quality. So it's very important to be able to inspect the gears inside the machine before you take the component out. And we have possibilities to do that. We have the specific gear cycles where we can measure the profile, we can measure the lead and so on. So when the component comes out, we know it's a good part.
Okay. And what are the WFL Millturn's greatest gear manufacturing features today?
I mean, we can do hobbing. We have a capability to automatically change hobbing head, very stable. We can hob up to module 8. We can do free cutting from the B-axis. We can do shaping, internal, external shaping. We can do free cutting with an end mill. So basically we have all capabilities that the customer needs to produce high quality gears, from smaller sizes to really big sizes.
Okay. What gear capabilities and technologies could we see on these machines in the future?
Obviously, there is a lot of developments in this area, especially if we talk about gear skiving or power skiving. And this is an area which becomes very important when you have larger volume production. And WFL will go into these areas for not high volume, but say medium batch sizes. So definitely power skiving will be a technology that will be available with WFL within, say, 15 to 18 months at the most.
Okay. Thanks for sharing the information with
us
today.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thanks.